Hi everyone. Hopefully your preparation is going well. These are the questions we are going to try in today's episode. We discussed these questions in our live workshop. If you have tried these questions, then go ahead and watch the solutions and discussion related to it, which will be starting right away. And if you have not tried it, we'll recommend you to try it once before you watch the solutions. In these kind of graphical thing for mod X, mod Y and stuff, in classes I've given a lot of examples and I explained the basic idea that I use. And I've also mentioned that in CAT, you would not have very complicated. You can see the example. So this is very simple one, right? Mod X plus mod Y equal to 2. If you've done the class, so you should have automatically got the answer here. Very easy. All you have to understand is the symmetry here. For those who are uninitiated in this, the only thing you have to understand is mod X and mod of minus X is the same thing, right? So whenever I have something like this, I just think in this way, what happens if I substitute X with minus X and what happens if I substitute Y with minus Y? In this particular example, nothing changes. So what does that imply? That see, understand this. I mean, changing X to minus X will shift the graph from first quadrant to second quadrant, and as well as from fourth quadrant to third quadrant. Similarly, changing Y to minus Y, it will shift the graph from first quadrant to fourth quadrant, and as well as second quadrant to third quadrant, right? If I know that substituting X with minus X, nothing changes, and Y with minus Y, nothing changes, so the graph will be symmetrical across all the four quadrants. So whatever I get for the first quadrant, it should be the same thing in the remaining three quadrants. So all I have to do is get in the first quadrant, and the first quadrant is pretty simple, right? Because first quadrant mod X will also be, I mean, X will also be positive and Y will also be positive. So mod X will be X and mod Y will be Y. So all you have is X plus Y equal to 2 intersecting at 2 and 2. So this point is 2 units and this point is 2 units. I'm not writing it in exact coordinate format. I know you guys know that. So this is X plus Y equal to 2 for the first quadrant, right? Now, using that symmetry, what I can say is in the second quadrant, it should look like this. In the third quadrant, it should look like this. And in the fourth quadrant, it should look like this. That's it, done. So once I know this is 2 and 2, so this should be minus 2 and this should be minus 2. Now, this is a square, but this is also a rhombus. The diagonals are intersecting at 90 degrees. For any quadrilateral, if the diagonals intersect at 90 degrees, I've explained this why in the class, then the product or the area is half into product of diagonals. So the diagonal lengths are 4 and 4. So all you have to do is half into 4 into 4. So that is 8. So that is the answer for this question. Pretty simple. Hardly takes 10-15 seconds if you understand this idea for this particular question. There are some good ones which might take 20-25 seconds, but not more than that, because CAT you would not have, even in XAT and stuff, IIFT or something, you would not have very complicated ones related to mod graphical ones. So we have log of x base 3 is equal to a implies x is equal to 3 to the power a. This is the first thing that we get. And we know that log of y base 12 is also a. So y is equal to 12 to the power a. So this is what we know. And geometric mean of x and y is g. So g is basically root over x into y. This is, by the way, geometric mean. By geometric mean, it means that x, g, and y will form a GP series. So x by g equal to g by y. You can work on that. You'll get g equal to root over x into y. So g is equal to root over x into y implies that g is equal to what? 3 to the power a into 12 to the power a. So nothing but 36 to the power a. Now we are looking for log of g base 6, isn't it? Now this is a very, oh, sorry, my bad. This is root over this. So 3 to the power a into 12 to the power a, so that is under root 36 to the power a, which is nothing but 6 to the power a, right? So this is something like log of 6 to the power a base 6. So that should be a, right? So the answer is a. You cannot avoid using Sridhar Acharya in this case. But how you use it, that is very, that will be something of use. I'll tell you what went in my mind when I faced this question first time. So I had x square is equal to x plus 1. So straight away I could observe that something like x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 if I divide the entire thing by x. I can divide the entire thing by x because x equal to 0 is not working here. So I'm safe to divide by x. So if I do that, then I'm getting x minus 1 by x equal to 1. But that doesn't help me in getting 2 into x to the power 4, right? Because I can get something like this from here, and then use the option to figure out whatever it is, but that will be too much to do. So what I did in this question is I tried to find the value of x to the power 4, as simple as that, but not directly substituting the value of x, not directly taking into Sridhar Acharya. I just use this thing. I just squared both the sides, So I got x plus 1 whole square is what? X square plus 2x plus 1. And now this x square is x plus 1. So I can substitute back, right? So this is coming out to be 3x plus 2. So all I have to do is figure out this 3x plus 2. I know the x is positive. So using Sridharacharya, this is the quadratic is x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So if I use Sridharacharya, I get x equal to minus of minus 1, 1. Plus minus is not required because it's anyhow given that x is positive. So this is x, right? So what I know is this is 1 plus root 5 by 2. Before I substitute this, I need 2x to the power 4. So that is basically 6x plus 4, right? Simply double of this. That will give you this. So I need 6x plus 4, isn't it? So 6x plus 4 is 6 into this entire thing. So this is 1 plus root 5 by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3 plus 6 into root 5 by 2 is 3 root 5 plus 4. So that is 7 plus 3 root 5. So option D. That is the answer. You can put it there and figure it out, but this kind of thing, it should happen mentally. This is pretty straightforward, right? The fx is given. The gx is also given. And we need to find this thing at x equal to 1. So first let us start by finding f of 1 and g of 1. So f of 1 is 1, g of 1 is 2. Now I need to get these two things, right? So f of g of 1 is basically f of 2 because g of 1 is 2. I know that. So f of 2 will be what? 4. So I figured out this part first. Now similarly, g of f of 1 is g of 1, right? Because f1 is 1. So g of f of 1 will be g of 1 and substitute 1 here. I mean, in place of x, of course. So that is giving us 2. So now I know the main bracket here. So that is f of g of 1 plus g of f of 1, which is 4 plus 2, 6. So effectively what I need to find is f of 6 because this is 6, right? And f of 6 is simply 6 squared, that is 36. So that is the answer for this question. So 36. Thank you for watching us on YouTube. Hope you liked the video. For more such content, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for notifications. Do like the video and share it among your friends. Also leave a comment below for the video. As I mentioned at the start of the video, these questions were discussed in our live workshops. To watch more of these workshops, you'll have the option to take a free trial. Simply visit our website, select the live workshops from our courses, and enroll for a trial. Also check the plethora of options we provide for CAT, GMAT, and other management entrance test preparation at Mathoratory. We strongly believe in providing flexibility and convenience to students as per the requirements. You will have an option to either take a full course or learn exactly what you need to. For instance, if you plan to prepare one-to-one live with mentor, you can book sessions for only doubt clearing or even just for analyzing your mocks. Even for CAT preparation, if you don't need the one-to-one guidance, the mocks, the mock analysis, the workshops, or the GDPI, which are actually included in the comprehensive course, and you just want to train for specific topics of your choice, then simply select a capsule from these numerous options which are available to you. It will cover everything from basics to all variations and applications of the topic under study. Take a trial or book a demo with us and select the course which best suits your needs. Thank you for joining in and have a pleasant preparation ahead.